In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to add a dark mode shortcut to your lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This will work for the S26 Ultra, S26, and the S26 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to add a lock screen shortcut onto your S26 device, thankfully, it's pretty easy to do so to add a power saving shortcut. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your lock screen settings. So to do so, what you want to do is just hold down on a blank portion of the lock screen. And then from there, you want to hit wallpaper and style. And then from there, you want to hit your current wallpaper. From there, what you want to do is hit the icon where you want to change the setting and the shortcut. And then from there, you can look for power saving. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to add a power saving shortcut to the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.